First aid needs assessment is the foundation of workplace first aid planning. It helps employers determine what first aid provisions are required based on the risks, workforce size and working environment. The assessment should consider 5 key factors: the hazards and risks present in the workplace, for example, working with machinery, chemicals or at height; the number of employees, as larger workforces often need more trained first aiders and multiple first aid kits; the working patterns and locations, as shift workers, remote staff and lone workers may require additional provisions; the history of workplace accidents, as previous incidents can highlight particular risks that require tailored first aid measures; and finally, there are special considerations such as employees with medical conditions or disabilities who may require additional first aid support. By conducting a thorough first aid needs assessment, employers can ensure that they have the right number of trained first aiders, the correct first aid kits and suitable facilities to handle emergencies. This process is not just about compliance, it's about keeping people safe and ensuring help is available.